We have the Cygnus Petrol lighter, I believe made in Japan. You can see the Cygnus marked there on the fill screw, along with the patent number, if I can get it to focus right here. There you go. Very similar in style and look, but not really in feel, to the Dunhill roller light, because the Cygnus lighter, it's got the roller that's similar, but it's very light because it's made of aluminum. Probably the coolest of all the aluminum lighters. It really does. It's a very, I don't know. I think it's a very cool lighter, very similar to the Dunhill roller light, but it's got a very unique system here for retaining the flint. So and then you just feed it back in there. This one is missing the extra flint container that should have been there. It's got some scratches. Overall, decent shape, good lighter.